Good morning, everyone. 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, driving, or walking around. When your name is called, please be mindful before the court, you are to be in front of the camera, unmute your device, and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Mr. Saranic and Mr. Ayab. We'll start with Earl Robinson. This is the People versus Earl Robinson, ticket number U585772220, count one, failure to display Group D entertainers card. Ticket number U563492020, count one, contributing to delinquency of a minor. Ticket number U563488920, count one, furnishing alcohol beverage to persons under 21. Ticket number U563488820, furnishing alcohol beverage to persons under 21. I think that's it. Good morning, please take your name for the record, starting with People.
Good morning, Your Honor. Good morning, all. Tamika Horn appearing on behalf of the city, P70303.
Good morning, Judge. For the record, Attorney Navia Yad, P59518, on behalf of Mr. Earl Robinson this morning, that's hereby via Zoom.
Mr. Robinson, state your name.
Earl Robinson.
Okay. So it is my understanding, we've had some conversations off the record. Mr. Ayab, you are requesting a jury trial, which we have come up with. Well, my next jury trial date is October 11th. And then we would set it for a final pretrial on the day before October 10th. I think the jury trial would be, would it be at 1:30?
Yep.
I think it's at 1:30, but I know we would probably pick a jury that morning. And then the final pretrial would be October 10th at 8:35. There's also an issue that you brought up off the record. You're asking the court to do two separate jury trials for Mr. Robinson because there are separate incidents. And the court has already indicated it's not inclined to do so, but will allow you to file a motion and to have argument as to why your client is entitled to two separate jury trials. The date for you to have your motion into the court and to Ms. Horn would be, did I say October 8th?
I think you said August 8th, Your Honor.
August 8th, that's what I meant, August 8th. And then Ms. Horn would have to August 22nd to get it in, and then get her response in, and then on August, is it the 29th?
Of August.
I'm thinking we would hold
Yeah, okay.
the hearing on the 29th.
That's the Monday, though. She had tried to keep stuff on Tuesday in reference to jury trials.
Okay, so how about, let me change those dates. Instead of the 8th, we'll do the 9th, and then the 23rd, Ms. Horn will have it, and then the 30th, we'd do any argument if need be, and the court will render its decision.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Again, we were requesting, Your Honor, for the record, two separate trials. These are two separate incidents, separate situations, separate dates. And I think the client would be very much prejudiced, Your Honor, if the jury was to hear both prior bad acts or current bad acts on both.
Mr. Ayab, you got a whole you got a whole month to give me this argument, so you don't have to. You can save your argument now, and then I'll hear it on the 23rd. I'm going to read about it, so and we'll all be well versed in it. But as of now, I'm not seeing it, but you'll have the opportunity to try to make me see it.
Thank you, Your Honor. That's August 30th is the oral argument, correct, Your Honor? Thank you.
Yeah, and it'll be on Zoom.
All right. Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anything further?
No, Your Honor.
Anything on behalf of the people?
No, Your Honor, I just wanted to make a note of scheduling. There's also an OWI jury trial being scheduled on the same date that we have, for Mr. Robinson's trial, just to make it up.
Okay. All right, so we are all set. I will see you guys on the 30th.
And Mr. Ayad, this is Tamika Horn with the city. I have no objection to service by email.
Oh, okay. That'll be great. Thank you.
Okay, yep, you can find me on the State Bar website, Tamika Horn, Tomika, last name is Horne.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Yep, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Mr. Zaranek, good morning, you're ready on something? Oh, and Mr. Should have said 8:35 or 8:30, but. Mr. Zaranek, you ready on something?
We are, Judge. Michael Davis is ready. Emmanuel Roberson. Keena Doremus. I think those are the three that I have. Oh, and also, sorry, Sarah Robertson.
The people versus Emmanuel Robertson, ticket number U61000592. Count one, accosting and soliciting another for an act of prostitution. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mr. Zaranek.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Roberson, Your Honor. Mr. Roberson, please state your name.
Emmanuel Roberson.
Judge, this is, he's here for arraignment on the bench warrant. We're asking that the warrant be set aside and we could set this matter. There was an offer. He's not going to avail himself of that offer today. We'd like to set it for a bench trial.
Okay. All right, raise your right hand, is it Roberson or Robertson?
Roberson.
All right, Mr. Roberson, can you raise your right hand?
Yes.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Can you put your hand down? You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue, you're not guilty plea, set this for a bench trial for,
September 7th.
for September the 7th at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
No, ma'am.
You are all set, sir.
September 7th, 9 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Be on Zoom. This is the people versus Michael Davis, ticket number P1205915. Count one, disregard, signal red or amber. Looks like count two was closed. Count three is expired plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Zaranek.
Bob Zaranek for Mr. Davis. Please state your name, Mr. Davis.
Good morning, Your Honor. My name is Davis.
Judge, Mr. Davis is here for a review today. He was given the opportunity to do 28 hours of community service in exchange for his fines and costs. I'm not sure if the end result was going to be a dismissal or just closed out, Judge. I'm not sure what the file says. But
Did he do the 28 hours of community service?
he actually did 29, Judge, and he showed me his community service forms. He did it at a veterans facility, also at the.
Hold on,
Yes.
Miss Doremus, turn your video off. Are you working out You're in court. Turn off your video, please.
He did work at a fellowship hall judge, a church, and also a veterans facility. He did show me the different days, different hours that he did the community service. It added up to 29, which was 1 hour more than he needed to do.
All right, so he's done all that's been asked of him. I guess we closed out.
Yeah, I'll close that.
So this will be closed out. Congratulations, Mr. Davis. You didn't have to pay any money. And I'm sure you got something out of it, helping others. So congratulations to you. You are all set, sir.
Your Honor, as well. I had 2 tickets that we had put a motion in due to Corona. And the court's having to do Zoom now. The tickets had accidentally got in default, and my license has been suspended for quite some time now.
You have 2 tickets in addition to this ticket here?
That on the last date, my attorney put in motions to have them taken out of default, so my license would be reinstated. Yes, I had about tickets altogether, and these were the everything got closed out, and I did community service these, but there were also 2 that were in default, still in default with Secretary of State, and we had put a motion in last date, those taken out of.
Oh, okay. You filed a motion to set aside the default on those civil infractions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that will go to a magistrate.
Could you explain?
It will go to a magistrate, which it will go to another jurist.
Okay, I have a date on that.
Do you haven't got the date?
No, I just got this yesterday for today, actually. The card for today, I just got it yesterday. So,
So you could get another date.
and my license still suspended.
Pre-hearing date.
Yeah, you should get another card for another date.
He can always check, call down, like first floor, check about what date they give.
And you can always call down to the first floor.
I've been doing that. I went to the Secretary of State and I've tried in the court.
No, you need,
You may have to.
I think you're gonna need to come down to find out what's going on with those matters.
They
This
were
matter is closed out. This matter is closed out, but if you filed a motion to have the default or set aside, that's gonna go to another jurist, but you need to probably come down to court to find out what's going on with that, or to find out what your next court date is.
okay. Do you see anything else in the system for me? Is it clear? Is everything clear now? It might be clear. I know that attorney.
That's what you gotta tell us. You would have to tell us like,
You can always go online.
Okay, you can go online,
36 District Hub. They'll tell you.
huh?
36 District Hub, what, show me anything that's out there outstanding.
It's just the 36.
Yep.
Are you familiar how to look on the 3664 website, look up your name to see what matters you have?
I did. I saw that matter, and it didn't have a date or anything.
That's why I'm saying you need to come down to try
I will.
to. Okay,
I got you.
all right, so you are all set.
All right, y'all have a good one. Stay safe.
You too.
Okay, this is the People versus Keena Duramus, ticket number SP 1245067, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Mrs. Zaranick.
I'm Zaranick for Mr. Ramus. Can you state your name, ma'am?
Keena Duramus. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Sorry
Good.
about the workout.
Mr. Ramus is here for a pretrial judge. We did work out a plea agreement, or I'm sorry. She did show me proper documentation, Judge, that she does have current insurance. So we were going to ask that this matter be dismissed for proper documentation.
All right, so with that, you stipulate the probable cause, Mr. Zarana.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, so this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Raymond. Did you have any questions?
No, thank you so much. Do I have any court costs?
No, it's dismissed. You're all
Oh,
set.
thank you. Have a good day.
Well,
Bye.